ang inyong Mommy Sharon. Welcome to Sharon Talk. Alam niyo po ba nakakatuwa? Magbabalik tanaw tayo. Ngayon ay pag-aaralan natin ang mga basic grammars at saka a little bit of mathematics for early children, for like elementary children. Ayan. I'm just so happy kasi while I was tutoring my daughter, ayun, na-realize ko, natuwa ako at I am really having fun studying at the same time with my daughter. Kasi yung mga Roman numerals, naalala ko yan. And yung mga grammars natin, yung mga basic is, are, was, were, yung mga tenses na very important. Kasi ito po yung mga foundation ng ating English, tsaka po ng ating mathematics. So, kailangan, lagi tayong babalik sa basic. Do not move away from the basics. Yan. Kahit po sa ating life, kahit po sa ating hygiene, kailangan always don't divert yourself or deviate yourself from the basic things. Ayan. Samahan niyo po ako at mag-aaral po tayo ng kaunti. Okay? So again, watch and stay tuned. This is Sharon Talk. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Sharon Talk will be your teacher for today. Let's talk about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a name. Okay? And a name always starts with a capital letter. Yes, capital letter. Don't forget, it always starts with the capital letter. Okay? But noun has two different types. There is proper noun, okay, proper, and common. Common noun. Okay, let's again digest what is proper and common nouns. Okay, proper and common. So proper talks about the real or actual name of a thing. For example, the common noun is a father. Okay? What is the name of your father or mother? So, father, mother is a common noun. And the proper noun of your father would be, let's see, what is the name of your father? For example, Sergio. Yes. Sergio. And what is the proper noun of your mother? For example, Sergia. Sergia. Sergia and Sergio. Okay? So, that is what you call the proper noun. Sergio and Sergia. Proper noun of, common noun, father, mother. Okay. What about, you see, it always starts with a capital letter. Okay? What about the proper noun of a thing? Okay, thing. For example, the common noun is a book. Okay. Book is a common, and P, English book, is the proper noun. Yes, proper noun. Okay, thing. Country. Again, it starts with a capital letter. What about country? Okay, country. For example, country is the common noun, and Philippines is the proper noun. So now you see the difference, and again it always starts with a capital letter. Don't forget. Yes. Now, let us talk about with the tense or tenses. So, in English, we have what we call the present tense, past, and future tense. Okay. So, now I hope that you can follow me. We're talking about the tenses. A while ago, we discussed about the nouns. Now, let us talk about the tenses. What is a tense? Okay. A tense talks about the situation of or a condition of what's going on right now, yesterday, and tomorrow. Okay. So it's a tense. So it's not, my definition is not by book but by actual. So when you say present, it means we're talking about what's going on right now. And we use is for that. Is singular. Singular. And are is plural. So, use it in a sentence. So, when you say is, it talks about one person only or one thing. And if it's plural, we use are, okay? Which means more than one, okay? Right now, you can see is and are is a present tense, and is used for singular and are is for plural. So, use in a sentence the present tense and the singular, okay? She is at the shop. So, when you say she is at the shop, is pertaining to the she, the subject. And she is only one. So, we use is. But when you say they are, they means the subject is plural, so we use are. They are at the shop. Yes. So, that is the present tense. We use are, and the plural, the subject is they. Okay. So, now, let's talk about the past tense. Past tense is usually placed D or ED to define the verb if it's past tense or singular. For example, go is the present and went is the past tense. This is another thing, okay? So there are verbs that you can use, but it changes the spelling. So now let's do the D and ED. For example, dive. Since dive is ending with letter E, so you'll just put additional D to define if it's past tense. So, as I said, you can add D at the last word and ED. Okay, so it's dive. All right. What else? What are the other action words that you can think of? So, when you say action words, they are known as verbs. So, we will go there in the future. What else? So we use dive. Or sometimes, like go, went, it changes the spelling. There is sing and then sang. Okay. Run, ran. Okay. So those are the same present, and past. So it totally changes the spelling. I hope you can follow me. I cannot find my board, that's why. So let's have a more thorough examples of the action words. Okay. Can you tell me some action words? Can you give me more examples? Okay. What else? For example, you say watch. Watch is without E, so we will put ED to emphasize that it is a past tense, and watch meaning present tense. So, like that. So, watch, present, and past tense. And then, if you want to make it in a future tense, you just add ing. So from watch, the root word watch, you will say watching. This is the future tense, okay? So which part are we going to use? Shall we use is, are, was, were? All right. So if it's a present tense, you use is for singular, okay, and are for plural. And these are used for present tense. Present tense. Okay? But if you want to use it in past tense mode, past tense, like past, like it happens yesterday, past tense, okay? See? You will say watched. Watch. Yes, you watched, like you watched the movie yesterday. The movie yesterday. Yesterday emphasizes past tense, but your action word watch must be with ed. Without this one, without ed, then your sentence is wrong, okay? Because yesterday talks about what happened in the past, so your action word must have ed or d. Depends on if it's ending with letter E. If an action word is ending with letter E, like dive, you just need to put D to make it past tense. Okay? So if you have any questions, just call or comment down below. Okay, and if you have any ideas, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. So hi everyone, again this is your Sharon Talk, and today I am your teacher, English teacher. So if you have any comments, suggestions of some subjects that you wanted to have illumination, like to be enlightened, so just comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy our little session for English today. In the future, we will be doing a little bit of mathematics, okay? And we will continue on with English tutorials, okay? So don't forget, like and subscribe. Enjoy!